Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to configure Shopify payment. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. So first we tap on Chrome browser and you can see I have already opened my Shopify account. And tap on three lines of left corner and tap on settings and click on payments and you choose your payment method and select your bank and little bit wait and you can see too much bank accounts is here and you can tap on active and add your payment card. And I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.